Medical coding is like translating medical language into numbers, a crucial process in the healthcare industry. Every diagnosis, treatment, and procedure a doctor performs has a specific code, which is standardized across the medical field. Medical coders use these codes to create a detailed record of a patient's healthcare journey, ensuring accuracy and consistency. These codes are essential for billing insurance companies, as they provide a clear and precise account of the services rendered. They ensure accurate payments for medical services, which is vital for the financial health of medical institutions. Without medical coding, hospitals and clinics would struggle to get reimbursed for their work, leading to financial difficulties. Imagine a patient gets a broken leg fixed. The process involves multiple steps and services. The doctor sets the bone, applies a cast, and prescribes pain medication, each step requiring precise documentation. Each of these services has a unique code which must be accurately recorded. Medical coders use their extensive knowledge of medical terminology and coding systems to translate these services into codes accurately. These codes are then sent to insurance companies, ensuring the hospital receives proper payment for the care provided, maintaining the cycle of healthcare services. There are three main coding systems used in the United States. They are ICD, CPT, and HCPCS. ICD stands for International Classification of Diseases. This system classifies diseases, injuries, and health conditions. For example, the flu has a specific ICD code. CPT stands for Current Procedural Terminology. This system codes medical, surgical, and diagnostic procedures. A procedure like setting a bone would have a CPT code. HCPCS stands for Healthcare Common Procedure Coding System. It is used to identify products, supplies, and services not included in CPT. This includes things like ambulance rides and durable medical equipment. Each coding system plays a crucial role in accurately documenting patient care and ensuring proper billing. Medical coders must be proficient in all three systems to perform their jobs effectively. They need to understand the nuances of each system to ensure that every medical service and product is accurately coded. This proficiency helps in reducing errors and improving the efficiency of the healthcare system. Accurate medical coding is crucial for several reasons. It ensures proper payment for medical services provided. Insurance companies rely on these codes to process claims and reimburse healthcare providers. Accurate coding also helps track healthcare statistics and trends. This data is used to improve patient care, allocate resources, and develop public health policies. Errors in medical coding can lead to claim denials, delays in payment, and even legal issues. Inaccurate data can also hinder research efforts and lead to flawed healthcare policies. Medical coders play a vital role in maintaining the financial health of healthcare organizations and ensuring the accuracy of health data. Their work is essential for the smooth functioning of the healthcare system. Section 4. Charting a career in medical coding. If you are detail-oriented, enjoy working with medical terminology, and have a knack for accuracy, a career in medical coding might be right for you. To become a medical coder, you typically need a post-secondary certificate or associate degree in medical coding. These programs teach you the ins and outs of coding systems, medical terminology, and healthcare regulations. Certification is highly recommended for medical coders. The Certified Professional Coder, or CPC, and Certified Coding Specialist, or CCS, are two recognized certifications in the field. Successful medical coders possess strong analytical skills, attention to detail, and the ability to work independently. They must also stay updated on the latest coding guidelines and regulations. Section 5. Exploring the world of healthcare careers. The healthcare industry offers a wide range of rewarding career paths, each with its own unique set of challenges and rewards. If you are passionate about making a difference in people's lives, exploring healthcare careers is a great place to start. The impact you can have on individuals and communities is profound. From direct patient care roles like nursing and physical therapy, where you interact closely with patients, to behind-the-scenes positions like medical coding and healthcare administration, which ensure the smooth operation of healthcare facilities. There are countless opportunities to contribute to the well-being of others. Research different healthcare professions thoroughly. Consider your interests and skills, and how they align with various roles, and reach out to professionals in the field to learn more about their experiences. Networking can provide valuable insights and guidance. A career in healthcare can be both challenging and fulfilling, offering personal and professional growth. By exploring the diverse opportunities available, you can find a niche that suits you best. You can find a path that aligns with your passions and career goals and makes a real difference in the lives of others, providing a sense of purpose and satisfaction.